Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the practical examples related to the calculation context as a second part of this video, this unit. This video is about how we can implement context operators in and where. So these are the most important operators which are being used in a complex reports, and you should understand these concepts more in a detailed manner so that you will better understand to build reports or to develop the complicated applications. So for that purpose, let's take an example with the context operator. So I'm just creating a new report. So for that report, I'll just select eFashion as a universe. I'll take a couple of objects and revenue. Okay, so this is the report where we are displaying the data based on the straight year and sales revenue. Now, so what we wanted to do is, means suppose a manager wants to know data for particular state. So how much revenue that particular state has made? What is the highest revenue for that state? Suppose for Florida states we wanted to take an highest revenue, means how we can calculate the highest revenue, how we can calculate the highest revenue for a particular year and total revenue of that particular state in a year. So how we can do that? So for that purpose we can use the calculation context operators in and where. So let me create one variable for that. So, suppose we will be considering a Florida state. So I will create a new variable. I will say which is highest revenue for all states. Out of all states, what is the highest revenue? So for this, what I'll do, I will say max of, or I can take this from here, max of sales revenue, but we will say means in a state. So we need to specify the input context as well here. So on which basis we need to calculate the data. So max of sales revenue in a state. Okay, so this is max of sales revenue. The bracket is okay. Okay, so I have just added this highest revenue for all states. This variable will give the highest revenue for all the states. Now I will create one more variable with the highest revenue for Florida. So what we need to use? We need to use a max function. Then we will see sales revenue as the object, and we will say it is in a state. State and year. And so once we do this, what we need to take, we need to have a highest revenue. So this will give the data for year wise highest revenue for a state, but we need for a particular Florida state. So what we need to do, we need to specify a where condition where we will specify state and as object is equal to Florida. Okay, so if you see this where operator, this is to restrict the data for a particular condition, means we wanted to have display the data. So this where operator we can use in a state of Florida. Just click on OK. Now what I'll do, I will create one more variable with the to calculate revenue for Florida in year 2004. Okay, I will select measure. So for this, what is the formula? The formula should be the same, which is that highest revenue. So what we need to do, we just need to select sales revenue, where we will specify, we need a state as Florida and year as 2004. So we will say state is equal to Florida, and we will also specify where and year is equal to 2004. Okay, so this is the sum of sales revenue. Just give a closing bracket here. So this is done, means this formula will give revenue of Florida in year 2004. Okay, so this is three variables which I have created, means how we can use a where operator and in as well, means let's I'll just add one more table here as a horizontal table, just to show you means how the results look. So first I am taking highest revenue for all sales, all states. You see, this is highest revenue for all state. Okay, highest revenue for Florida. The highest revenue for Florida, whatever the highest revenue for Florida, and revenue of Florida in year 2004. If you see, means if you see, I'll just add a break on state, so that, and I just add a sorting as well, means how we can add a sort to just to display Florida on top of the table. I'll add a custom sort, so that this Florida again get displayed on top of this display. Okay, so now if you see this Florida, for Florida states, year-wise data is 2004, 2005, and 2006. So what is the highest revenue for this? It is 811,924. Okay, so this is just summarize it. Now if you see, this is highest revenue for all states. So for highest revenue for all states, if you see what is the highest revenue, so if I want to find out, means then I can use that formula. So you will see, means this value, which is 36,387,512, which is highest revenue or total highest revenue. Then highest revenue for Florida is, out of this revenue for Florida in 2004, if you see, this is the value which is getting displayed here. So this is the use of in and where operators, means we can restrict the data for a particular, like, see, if you see, this is in operator, we can use like this, and where operator as well, means we can use like this. Okay, so this is the use of context variable. I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions, then please let me know. You can put it in a comment section. If you like my video, then please like my video.